Hello and welcome to our session on laboratory safety rules and regulations. Whether you are a beginner or experienced, these safety tips are essential for everyone. Let's dive in. Rule number 1. Wear proper lab attire. Always wear the right protective gear, lab coat, the safety goggles, and gloves. Avoid loose clothing, open-toed shoes, or dangling jewelry, because they can be hazardous. Rule number 2. Keep the laboratory clean and organized. Maintain cleanliness. Wipe spills immediately, dispose of waste properly, and keep your workspace clutter-free. A tidy lab. Rule number 3. Do not eat or drink in the lab. Food and drinks can contaminate your experiments or expose you to harmful chemicals. Keep them outside the laboratory. Rule number 4. Follow instructions carefully. Listen to your teacher or supervisor and read all instructions before starting. Never skip steps or take shortcuts. It could lead to accidents. Rule number 5. Handle chemicals with care. Always check labels before using chemicals. Use only the quantities recommended and avoid smelling or touching chemicals directly. Rule number 6. Know emergency procedures. Be aware of safety equipment like fire extinguishers, eye wash stations, and emergency exits. Quick action during emergencies can save lives. Rule number 7. Do not experiment without permission. Always get approval before trying new experiments. Unauthorized activities can be dangerous and disrupt the lab environment. Rule number 8. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands before and after working in the laboratory, especially if you've handled chemicals or biological materials. Rule number 9. Don't mix substances randomly. Only mix substances as directed. Random mixing can cause unexpected reactions like explosions or toxic fumes. Rule number 10. Report accidents immediately. If you spill something, break glassware, or have any accident, inform your teacher or supervisor right away. Don't try to fix it alone. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. By following these simple rules, you can ensure a safe and successful lab experience. Thanks for watching, stay safe and happy experimenting.